Now I request Sachin to play the curtain raiser, so to speak, of CAG Goes Digital.
Good evening, friends. I'll take you through a short presentation of the new CAG digital website. Well, a brief about CAG. It started in 1948. It has a huge legacy, and over the years, we have collected all the archives, all the annuals of outstanding work done in the creative industry. What we've done is we have gone ahead and digitized the entire archive. So the question was, why not archive it? Let's do it now. So that was a call taken by CAG. So we went ahead, archived it. 19 June was a date when we planned it, we decided it, and the idea was born, the digital idea. So what did we do? We almost archived 4,000 pages right from 1950, which was the first annual printed by CAG. And from there on, we scanned around 36 annuals between 1950 to 1996 and converted them into searchable, editable PDFs, which can now be searched very easily on the net. This is how it works. On the website, you can go, you can look at all the annuals. If you like a certain cover, you can click on it. You can choose which year you want to see a particular annual. Click on the preview button. You will see certain pages in preview. If you are interested to buy the annuals, which is highly archival in nature, then you can put your email ID and you can put your contact number and submit it, and your annuals will reach you on payments. The beauty of the searchable PDF is that once you open the PDF, you can search with a keyword. In this case, we can search a campaign of that particular year, the best award-winning campaign, the people who have done the campaign, the agency which has worked on it, the photographer, the typographer, everyone can be searched by a name. So that's the beauty of making it entirely indexable and searchable. And this is, CAG is the only organization which has got the records of Indian history of advertising right from 1950. So it's a very commendable effort of now bringing it to the younger generation. So we have 36 annuals available on cagindia.in, that's the URL. What's the price? Price for international buyers is USD 50 for one annual. For Indians, it's 1,000. And recently, an American Chicago University professor bought the annuals at the dollar rate. So it's very, very precious, and it's very valid in the world of anthropology and also into other research areas. The next thing that we did very recently, that's in 2010 and 11, we digged into the treasure that we had, the CAG annuals, and we found that there are a lot of names, a lot of people who are buried there, who are stored there, and we needed to retrieve those names. So year by year, we created a database and we brought out nearly 10,000 award-winning campaigns right till now, and 4,000 creative professionals, 150 agencies since 1950 who have made contribution to the industry. So now they are all searchable. They can be found on the net with the search. So this is how it works. So you go onto the website, there's a awards category. So there are professional section, you can go by the year and you'll see all the bronze winners, all the silver winners of that year. You can go ahead and sort it by a certain category, like the campaign, best campaign or best, right? We are also trying to collect all the visuals for this. So once the visuals are also in place, it will become a beautiful archive and an index. So this is how all the CAG students who have won awards till now, the young cubs, they are also listed on the website now. Going forward, there is Hall of Fame. So every year we honor the best people who have contributed to the world of design, communication and advertising. So this is how Hall of Fame comes up. So awards database available on cagindia.in. The next feature which comes up is CAG said, let's get social. Let's reach the young audience. So what we did was created a YouTube channel, put up all our videos over there, and it's a fully operational channel for CAG. You will find the best videos coming up there, so watch out this space on YouTube. You also have the Facebook, which is very popular amongst all of you, and it contains all the updates, all the images. In fact, every 15 minutes of today's event is being live updated on Facebook right now. As this event progresses, the awards are also going to be visible. Right now, they are blocked, the award-winning people of today. So as soon as the awards are announced, the site will also be live with the awards. So going forward, Facebook is a beautiful platform, let's utilize it to the fullest. And we created 3 face-to-face or Facebook to Facebook as we call it, events. And who other than Gopi Kukade, Sunil Madik and Ganga to start the entire exercise. These are the people who didn't have Facebook accounts. And today all of them have got Facebook accounts. They have got many friends right on day one. So they have a huge fan following of all of you. So they are on Facebook too. So how does Facebook and how does the entire journey work? Everything is listed out on the site. All the upcoming events are available now for future. What are the events which CAG will come up with? So there's a calendar, live calendar, which you can really go and see what is upcoming for CAG events. So Facebook and social media gave us 737 fans in 6 months time, 50,567 post views, and 80% of them were 18 to 24 years. So that's the pull of Facebook. So all the social media links are available on the website. And the next one that we did was put up this award, pre-award event onto the web. So CAG jury went to each and every art college over here in Bombay, and we tagged the best work which CAG liked, and that was a mark of respect for the student. And the 92 panels which were tagged were finally, they were displayed as finalists on the website before the site was launched today, with all their artworks visible for everybody. So on the awards website, we got 2,436 hits. 17 students from pre-final year across 5 colleges were selected for scholarship, apart from the finalists of the final year. So you will find all the award-winning portfolios available on the website. The next feature which we added into the website was a Guru Speak section, which is a beautiful online-offline event. And with this, what we did was, we started with Ranjan Joshi sir.
The literature or a visual art form. Literature is Sahitya. The writers, if you come across the novel writers also, for example, they have their own forms of writing.
So the scholarship students were taken through this program on the concept of parallelism, and the results are also, the assignments which were then submitted by the students, by the scholarship students, are now can be seen from today on the website. So have a look at that too. So Guru Speaks is a bi-monthly event. That means every 2 months there will be a new guru who will conduct a workshop, right? This is exclusively only for CAG member students who become registered members of student paid members, and archival of the event will happen immediately on the website. So all the assignments which are done will be visible on the World Wide Web. So this is the page where the assignments, the videos, everything will be posted, which is done by the students with the name, with the college. So Guru Speaks is only for members. When I say members, they are paid members of CAG. So the next beautiful thing we added was the digital showcase. All of us need portfolio. There are thousands of portfolio sites available, but how is CAG different? CAG will identify the best of the Indian talent and allow them to interact with the agencies of the world. And agencies will then look for scout for talent, and they can contact you directly over this platform. So we are creating a network portal for you and this is how the portal will look. You log in into the system because you are a registered member. Once you log in, you can update your profile. You can also get into the portfolio. You can update your images frequently, as many times as you want. You can also put movies, your ad films, short films, and you can preview your portfolio in a small size, but it is available. You can see it in the larger size once you upload it. So that's how the portfolio module works. You can also take this forward. What does it do? It creates an online networks, and it gives you the opportunity for internships and jobs. Digital Showcase again is only for members of CAG, student members, professional members, agency members, and institute members. The best part till date to happen is this, which is called the featured agency. Here we choose a certain agency. This time we have the launch partner as Ogilvy, who will be featured for the first month on the CAG website. I really appreciate Ogilvy for coming forward and taking this initiative forward. So every month you will have a new agency which will be featured. So what is this featured? They will showcase 5 best campaigns as a case study. Why was the campaign done? What is the objective? And then you will see all the campaigns with relevant examples and explanation. So all the TVCs will also be there on the website. So Ogilvy becomes the first featured agency of the month. You'll be able to see 12 top agencies work along with your work in the same platform, in the same network. That's very important. You will get the 5 best campaigns per month to see, to study, and all of you, I'm sure, will love that. You have the opportunity to have workshop with the agency. That's the package that we're giving with the featured agency. So every agency will also organize a workshop. And again, since it is very specific, it will be open for members of CAG. So the last and not the least, right from 1950, CAG is to publish a directory of all the allied services which are helpful, like the printers, the processors. Many of us who don't know, we have compiled a few directory listing, and this listing is going to increase day by day. All the people who are in the service industry to the creative people, you'll find them there with the contact number, with the address, with the services that they provide. So this will be the directory. On the right hand side, you will find there's a form which a new supplier can fill up and get it listed. So that's also a beautiful thing to happen. So find the right supplier, category wise listing of vendors is a huge help during printing, processing, and final publishing. So the CAG directory is also available free of cost. So the CAG registration will be open from tomorrow, right? And this is what you will be paying for it for a year. Student 500, professionals 2,000, institute 10,000, and agencies 15,000. For professionals, if you're blocking in a group, if you're a group of friends and you want to block your membership together, you can get a beautiful discount on that. A group of 10, you'll get direct 50% off. For students, also there is a discount. So if you come in a group of 10, you pay 300 for 1 year, and then you're part of CAG. Students, especially for you, CAG has given a few more incentive. If you're blocking your registration in the next 4 days of the exhibition, which is happening in the gallery next to our Ravindra Natya Mandir here. So your prices or the fees that you pay will be reduced by 50 rupees based on your membership, right? So it's time to feature your best. I wish you all the best. Make use of this platform. Do log in on cagindia.in. Thank you very much.